Hello, good evening children. Today I am going to explain about the modification of the stem. You know children, what is the function of the stem? The function of the stem first to transport water and minerals absorbed by the roots to different parts of the plant. First function. Second function, stem also transport the food prepared by the leaves on the surface, food prepared by the plants on the surface of the leaf. But children, stem also do some special functions except these two. Then it is called as modification of the stem. So what is the special functions? What is the special functions of the stem? Because stem is modified in another form and do another work, just like roots modified to sometimes root store food, sometimes root gives support, root also acts as parasites. Same thing here. In case of stem, stem also store the food. In some plants, stem store food. The examples of this is potatoes and ginger. In potatoes and ginger, it is not roots. It is found inside the surface of the earth, but it is not root. It is stem. ये क्या है? Stem है, root नहीं है. Then how we can say that it is stem? It is not roots, because in a potato, bring one potato. Because in potato there is a nodes and internodes. What are the characteristics of stem? The characteristics of stem is that a stem has nodes and internodes. So in case of potatoes also there is a node and internode. अभी मैं दिखाते जा रही हूँ where is node is present and where is internodes is present. Okay, by taking the example of that is stem, that is potato. See, in case of potato, the leaves and flowers are seen above the ground. In case of potato, only leaves and flowers are present above the ground, and below the ground stem are present. Okay, and the food prepared on the surface of the leaf, the food prepared on the surface of the leaf is stored in a stem. और stem में जाकर के stored हो जाता है. Okay, and so it looks like root, but it is not stem. By the help of one potato, we can make so many potatoes. How? So then so many branches of stems are coming, and the food prepared on the surface of the leaf is stored inside the earth in stem. So this is the stem that store food. This is the special function of the stem. Next, stem that provides support. So potato, a stem that provides support. Second thing is stem that provides support in case of pea plant. In case of pea and ginger or grapes, in case of pea and grapes,